Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to how to create a VLAN protocol. No, it's not protocol. VLAN is just like uh, one of the purpose is to mark the port of your switch. Also, I'm gonna show you how to create, how to add a port security to your switch port. And let's get started. So the first one, you can just open the Cisco Packet Tracer. So you can seek this this application by using the browsers such as Firefox or some Chrome. You can say just use Google, and you can just download it, and also yeah, just publish in your laptop, and you can find this application for your develop. And also, so because Cisco Packet Tracer is just uh, especially just for Cisco products, so you can see a lot of Cisco here, Cisco product such as switches, routers, and maybe hub. Also, maybe some of yeah, a lot of it. So industrial, smart cities, something else. So today for the first one, I mean for the first one, you can take the switch. This is the number to 2960, and also take the end device to PC, and also to laptops here. Well, for the first one, I'll going to show you how to manage your port with VLAN. So VLAN is just like marking your port that you will know. So it's make you more easier to know where the port where the port going through. So, say for example, this 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 laptop's in my bedroom, and for the blue color, so this PC is it's in my office room. So I'm gonna mark it office room. Yes, this is for my bedroom. Okay, okay, just like this. So this side is my bedroom. Also, this one is my office room. So from router, from the ESP, so the internet will taken by router, and also it will going to switch, and also it's going to one by one to my laptop, this second laptop, and also my PCs on my office room. And yeah, so I mean, so if you look at this image, you can see. So switch has a lot of ports here. So it's like one, two, three, four, until 20. So I'm gonna mark it from fast Ethernet 1 to 10. I'm gonna mark as office room port, and also for the 11th until 20th. So it will be marked as bedroom bedroom. So yeah, but for the first one, you should connect all of it to this one. So yeah, but this one is 11. So I'm gonna choose the fast Ethernet 11 until so for office room is fast Ethernet 1 until 10. For the bedroom is fast Ethernet 11 until 20. Okay, so let's configure. For the first one, you can see this is the GLI of the switches. the switch. So the first one you should do is enable. Oh my god, wait, it's typo. Okay, so enable and configure terminal. So this is for turn on your configure boot on your switch. So you can type like VLAN 10. Okay, it's VLAN 10 and name it as, I'm gonna name it as office room cables. Like this one. So if you're done, so I'm gonna make the VLAN 20. VLAN 20, I'm gonna mark name as bedroom cables. This one. So I'm X. So because if you see here, if you drag, if you pointed your cursor at the switch, so you can see fast Ethernet 1 until 2 is connect with my PC on office room, but no one connected on fast Ethernet 3 until 10, but I'm gonna mark it as going to office room also. And for 11 to 20, I'm gonna mark to go to my bedroom. Okay, so for the first one is, you can see the interface. So I'm gonna go with interface fast Ethernet, yeah, 1. So basically you should configure one by one. That's fast Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 10, one by one. But but Cisco and this switch especially have a filter called range. So you can configure like fast Ethernet 1 until what number you want to to configure. So I'm going to configure fast Ethernet 1 until fast Ethernet 10. So all of the fast Ethernet will combine. I'm going to configure uh, at the same time. So I'm gonna, yeah. So I've typed this is 1 until 10. So it's basically just wait, it's basically just like this, and I'm gonna strip and 10. But before the fast Ethernet, you add some range here, and that voila, cannot. Oh, I'm typo. Ethernet. Ah, so the second one is you can switch port mode access like this, enter. And next one is switch port should access VLAN. So the name is VLAN 10. So I'm gonna type it VLAN 10. Okay, and it's done. So if you go X and you do show VLAN, so you can see here my VLAN 10, or the name is office room cable active. So it's marked. It's a mark. So fast Ethernet 1 until 10 is marked as office cable. Okay, so Control C. So the second one is the interface. So fun fact, if you configure on switch, so if you're really lazy to type, so if you type in, you can click tab button on your keyboard and it will automatically pull the tag a full word. So I'm gonna interface fast internet. So I'm gonna click tab and it's all, and slash 11 to 20. Oh no, for that I should have arranged enter. Okay, so switch port. So just tap switch port mode, tab, axe tab, and voila. And also axe tab and VLAN 20. It's all done. Axe, no, it's no should jumping. No, cannot detect it. So and save the file to do right. Okay, and it's all done. So if you see do show, so it's actually show, just type show VLAN, and yeah, it's all done. Fast Ethernet 11 to 20 mark as bedroom escape. Okay, for the next one I'm going to show how to protect your port using port security. So you can take some switch again. So this is for the second switch, and take some end device. I'm gonna take among laptop, a few laptops here, just two, and connect with one of them. I'm gonna connect with this one. Okay. Oh, maybe you need three more. Okay, so for the next one is PC. Okay, so you give some IP first. So we use static IP. So for this one is send with one 160 192 with slash a uh, with dot one. Okay, all done. And for this one, just change it to two. Okay, but for this one, should give a really different IP. So I'm gonna give it 10, 10, and 100, for example. Okay, so it's all connect. So if you see, if you have a package, file package from this laptop to this laptop, so if I connect it together, you can see the status is successful here on the bottom of the UI. So if I change the cable to this PC, so the switch will detect that, oh my God, what kind of this PC is? I didn't know about this PC, so he will cut it down the the cable and didn't receive the package file. I don't know what's the name of the package file. It's what is it, PDU? I don't know. Something like that. So I'm gonna configure the the port security to the fast Ethernet one. So you can just type N, more more simple, and also conf T. So it's more give you more a lot of time. And so for example, interface fast Ethernet 0 to 1. Okay, so for this one, switch port mode mode access. Okay, enter and add an port security, and second one is maximum. So the purpose of this maximum is so the switch will detect it by the MAC address, not by the IP address. So you know, MAC address is all different on the on on of all of hardware. So the port security will just connect with one end device. So it you can setting with the maximum. So I'm gonna maximum with one. So the switch will just uh, with enable to connect with just one MAC address that he have connected. Okay. So the next one is port security with MAC address sticky. So this is for remembering the MAC address, and also the violation. I'm gonna I'm gonna give it a shutdown. Enter. And also shutdown X. So go and then right. Okay. Okay. Let, let's try again. So if I send package from this to this, it's successful. But if I wait, if I connect the cable to my a different PC that he didn't know about it. So if I send a package file, you can see it's failed. It's already failed. So the data from our laptop is kept as security by the port Ethernet. A port Ethernet by switch. I mean, I forgot. A port security. And yeah, it's very useful in the reality. You should protect your data more safer, or just from the PC to laptop, and it's failed also. Okay, it's all done. So this is for the port security. Okay, okay, guys, it's all done. So you can just save the file using file, click file on the left bottom and save your file. And I can just say like I'm gonna save it as my VLAN and port security, port security, uh, security. Yeah, just enter, and this file is has have already saved. Okay, maybe you can just try to combine with port security and VLAN. It's more better. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also I hope this video are really useful for your task, for your school task, especially to learn about Cisco. And thank you for watching this video. And the last to say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.